Tell me the make and model and the year of your bike, please.
2002 BMW R1200C.
Okay. How long have you been riding?
Since college, so 30 years.
Okay. So this is bike number what for you? 5, 6, 3, 4?
22.
Did you say 22?
I did say 22.
If you said 22, that means you're like one of my top person on number of bikes, because I don't think I've interviewed anybody who had that number 22 as the bike.
I have never owned a car in my name.
Okay.
Just
that explains it all. So you're like a die-hard biker.
I have been. I was out of riding for, my son's 10. So out of riding for about 10 years. Had a crash.
Sure.
Then we got pregnant.
Okay.
We were like, well, baby or bike. Let's deal with the baby.
Yeah,
we had another baby. We bought a house.
We bought a house. Yeah, I understand that people, leave it, then they come back to riding for some reason or the other, right?
This is my first bike since coming back.
So tell me about your bike. How reliable has it been? Did you buy it brand new?
No, I bought it. I bought it used. She's an 02, so she's 22 years old. She can drink now.
Okay. When you bought it used, how many miles did she come with?
She had just under 30,000.
Oh, really? Okay. And now, how many miles does she have?
She's only got 31,000 on her. I've only had her since June. So.
Oh, so this is new. And why BMW versus a different brand?
Honestly, I wasn't sure what I wanted specifically.
Okay.
I was looking at a few different used bikes, and when I came to this one, I took her out for a spin.
Yeah. And fit your profile and style and everything?
My first real cruiser, I had a Rebel, which is, a beginner bike, and I had 82 GS 650G.
Okay.
Which is more standard than cruiser.
Right.
Cruiser.
Right.
And
you picked it up?
In my 50s, I can grab a cruiser.
I hear you.
Now I need a sport tour.
Do you take a passenger with you sometime or no?
My wife rode with me when she was still my girlfriend.
Okay.
But hasn't been riding with me since she's been my wife. So.
Okay. I understand. There you go.
There we go.
So it comes handy to give you some backrest, right?
Oh, wait, I can't take anybody with me. No.
Exactly. Do you do the work yourself on the bike?
No. There are some things I am certain I can do.
Sure.
And some things I think I might be able to do.
Right.
And with the BMW, especially with the boxer engine, I can hear when there's something wrong.
Sure.
Like right now, I know that I need a valve adjustment.
Okay.
Well, she's due for her 30,000
So
miles
where
anyway.
are you going? Where do you normally
Bob's
take?
BMW.
Bob's BMW. Okay. That's
Bob's
close.
is
The closest
If
to
you've
you.
got a BMW or a Ducati,
Yeah.
go to Bob's.
Yeah. So that you've had good experience with them. You always go
They
to
are
them.
wonderful. Sunday mornings, no appointments. Roll up.
What's your plan with the bike? Are you gonna keep it for a while? You gonna get a second bike, or this is gonna be your own?
Yeah, she needs a sister.
Okay, so
I need a second bike. Yeah.
you'll take it. And when you say second bike, are you gonna get rid of this and then, or what?
No, I think the proper number of bikes to have is N+1.
Oh, N+1. Okay.
N+1. That's the proper number of bikes to have. So.
Okay.
I have N.
Okay.
I need one more.
What's your profession? What kind of work do you do?
I own a network marketing business.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay. I guess I kind of want to also feature people. I want the world to know that bikers comes in all shapes, sizes,
All shapes, sizes, colors,
all
religions.
backgrounds. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? We all do different things. You know what I mean?
It's about being two wheels. If you look around, you see cruisers, you see sport bikes.
Exactly.
Big Harley, full dressers. It's about being on two wheels. That's it.
Good.
Being in the wind.
Good. Well, it's really nice meeting you. Is this your first time here? You said, right?
This is my first time with the group.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. And it's an awesome group. This is my second time, but I know a bunch of people here, so you will enjoy yourself. You know what I mean?
I'm looking forward to it. And, the ride is up towards Columbia today, which is that far from my house. I usually go to Columbia for shopping. So,
okay, what's up?
go to the IKEA I shop at, ride to a Columbia brewery I shop
And then you can just go from there,
and
right?
then go home.
Then
So-
go home. Well, nice meeting you.